So what's MyShedPlans all about and who is it for? Ryan Henderson, a professional craftsman and educator, gives you a variety of shed plans to help you build any kind shed at home. He has put together a collection of 12,000 shed plans with different styles and designs. And you don't need to have woodworking experience to use the plans. They are detailed enough and come with hold you by the hand, step-by-step instructions. As mentioned earlier, the shed plans sold by woodworking publishers can't help you. I once wanted to build a shed. So I went online, bought the cheapest shed plan I could get and started following it. I got the tools, the 2x FAWs, and even began cutting to size. I didn't proceed much. I got stuck not knowing how to get from one point in the plan to another. If you have ever bought a plan to help you build any project, you probably know what I am talking about. Many of the plans sold by publishers are not even written by woodworkers. They are written by ghost writers who have never touched a chisel or a piece of lumber in their life. So, such plans often have wrong instructions, are either too dumbed down or too complicated. A good shed plan can only be written by a woodworker with experience building a lot of projects and teaching the craftsmanship to others. With Ryan's shed plan, you will never need to hire someone to build a shed for you. You will complete it yourself and within the shortest time possible. And if you are going to invest your money, energy, and time in building a shed by yourself, then you need a detailed plan that has everything you need to know about building a perfect shed. The plan should also include factors you need to consider when building a shed, from the most basic to the most critical. With up 12,000 detailed shed plans, MyShedPlans is arguably the only place you are going to get a complete plan that will help come up the shed you want. Note also that the plans have different designs and styles. So you will get to compare the styles and designs and build a shed that stands out. Among other things, the plans will give you views from all angles. This will help you see how everything will look before you start building. Step-by-step instructions. The instructions are so detailed you'll know exactly what to do in every step. Lists of materials and cutting lists, so you know what to buy, the quantity, and how to cut the materials. The cutting lists include measurements, 3D drawings, CAD designed drawings, used for, labels to help you know what each material is used for and when you will need it. Visit MyShedPlans today. Get your plans and complete your shed most inexpensively and quickly.